About 2 years ago, I went to PolishCon. It was the first time ever, and I was really excited because I had never owned any indie polishes. I did buy several different brands, but I never had the chance to swatch all the polishes that I had purchased from there. So I'm gonna do a couple of different videos here and there, and for today I'm gonna be swatching the brand Girly Bits. I have a total of 4. Hopefully I grabbed all of them. I don't think I have any more, but these are the ones that I grabbed again from PolishCon. It was in 2017 if I'm not mistaken, and I'm not sure if they still carry all of these colors because they're always coming out with new ones, and sometimes they discontinue or modify the color, the polish. I will be swatching all of these for you guys, and I'll show you guys close up of each color. So let's go ahead and get this started. This one is called Hot Stuff. Oh my god, so pretty. So pretty. Can't wait to put this on my own natural nails. Pretty dark. Alright, so that's the second one right here. This one is called Le Freak. This would be really nice if you do a gradient. Maybe the pink and this one together. So pretty. Oh my god. Gorgeous. Alright, here's the third one. And this one is called Freeze Frame. Wow. And the fourth one right here, this is called Chicago Forever. Limited edition, so you might not even find this anymore. They probably just made that for PolishCon for that year. It's coming off as black in the camera, but it's not. It's a darker tone of purple. I'm gonna let these dry and apply a second coat. So stinking pretty. Oh my god. Is that looking more purplish now? Or is it still coming off as black in the camera? Let me know what you guys think. Aren't these just, oh my god, so beautiful.